means the writers are rushed. And Gunn doesn't want to do that. Like, no director, date, or anything will happen until a
Bro,
script is
I
done,
don't know
which
what
is
happened.
why when
I
Gunn
have
made the
no clue what
DC
happened.
slate announcement, he didn't announce any dates. He just said to people that, hey, these are the movies that we want to make, hit us up or we'll hit you up to make it. Now, I like Gunn's approach more because that ensures the story will be good and create a more smooth production process as opposed to reshoots or writing in the middle of a film. Like, if I was an actor or a cinematographer, I'd rather work for
At least
DC
मेरे
than
को.
Marvel because of how they make movies. So yeah, what Gunn is doing is correct. Announcing movies and not promising a date until we get a script is the way to go. Not announce a movie with our lead actor and date in mind and not have a script to show for it.
Yep, that is that. What? ये कब हुआ? I think एक साल पुरानी वीडियो भी right? Oh, god dang. I did not know that. I did not know that. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Yep, we need this, bro. We need this solitude, this masterpiece in our life. उसके बाद we can continue studying. It did work, by the way. I used if else statement in force, of course. Like this is really like literally
I
hard to
need
do.
my dick sucked. Fuck sex, I just want neck. I need a semen demon, a penis leech, a throat witch, a
I'll just
nasty
use
bitch that
this.
swallow
Fuck.
dick. I need a gross chick that blow minds. Head so good,
Could
go blind.
you
Head so good, it
switch
should be a crime. Like the head so good, she gotta pay a fine. Suck the head, lick the shaft. Head so soft,
just
you gotta wipe my
for
ass. Let me know what that head bout. Deep throat till
fun?
you pass out. Two hand stroke to the dick nut. Slurp it up, spit it on the balls. Don't stall, slurp it up again and swallow it all. I need my dick
Take so.
sucked. I need my dick sucked.
Yep, that's it. This is it. Um,
Down below. Please be sure to do me a comment and enjoy the show.
nested be simple
If you
in
find this
but
video
why
helpful,
do I?
channel nested loops. A nested loop is really just a loop inside of another loop.
Which we have been
Best
doing, to be honest.
demonstrate this, let's create a rectangle program. We'll need a scanner called symbol of quotes. Next, let's let the user control the amount of rows that will be displayed,
True.
and we will store the result within our variable rows. Rows equals, and we need to use our
Scanner dot
scanner dot next
next
int.
line. Oh yeah, next int.
And let's repeat the
Oh,
process for columns. I will copy everything I have here
but
and
rows.
change rows to columns.
Yep.
Columns and columns. And we will let the user decide on what symbol they want to display.
Hmm.
So within another print line, enter symbol to use. And we will store this within our symbol variable. I guess we could have declared this as a character as well, but it's probably easier if it's a string. Symbol equals scanner dot next. Next will store our next token that we type until we hit space or enter. And then this is where the nested loops comes in. We're going to have an outer loop and an inner loop. Our outer loop is going to be in charge of the rows. Our inner loop is going to be in charge of the columns. So let's begin with the outer loop. This will be a for loop. For parentheses, then a set of curly braces. We will add 3 statements to the for loop. The first is our index. Int I for short for index, I equals 1. Then for our second statement, we're going to continue this for loop as long as I is less than or equal to the amount of rows that we have. And our third statement, we will increment our index of I by 1. Within this for loop, all we're going to do is display a print line, a blank print line. So this will move our cursor down to the next row to display the next row of characters. So this is where the nested loop comes in. We're going to create another for loop within this for loop. So we will make another for loop for parentheses, curly braces. We'll need an index, but we cannot reuse the same one. So let's declare another index, and a common practice for a nested loop is to declare an index of j, because j comes after I in the alphabet, I suppose. So we'll set j to equal 1. That's the first statement.
J
The second
is
statement is that we'll continue this for loop as long as j is
less
less than
than.
or equal to the amount of columns that we have. And lastly, we will increment our index of j by 1. Within the nested loop, all we're going to do is display our symbol. Make sure you do this with a print, not a print line statement. So we will print
Hmm.
whatever symbol that we have. And that is it. That's it. Let's compile and run this. Enter the number of rows. I would like 4 rows and 5 columns. Which symbol would I like to use? Perhaps the dollar sign. Hit enter, and here is my rectangle.
Hmm.
It has 4 rows. One, two,
Hmm.
three, 4, and 5 columns. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Yep.
So what happened here is that our outer for loop is in charge of the rows. Our inner for loop is in charge of the columns. Once we enter the outer for loop, we're immediately going to add a print line just to move down to the next line. And then, with the inner for loop, in order to escape the inner for loop, we need to complete
Print
all
line को print
iterations
से
of the
करना है.
inner for loop. So what we will do during each iteration of this inner for loop is print our symbol. And once we print our symbol an amount of times equal to the amount of columns that we want, we can escape the inner for loop. And once we complete our inner for loop, we can finish one iteration of our outer for loop, but we have to complete the process all over again for the next iteration of our outer for loop. So we
Hmm.
will enter our inner for loop one more time and have to reset our integer j, our index, back to 1 and repeat the process for the next row, all the way until our outer for loop is complete, and then we can exit the program. So that's all what a nested loop is. It's basically anytime you have a loop inside of another loop. These don't necessarily have to be for loops. You can have any combination of for loops or while loops for this too. Well, ladies
Yep.
and gentlemen, that is one example of how a nested loop could be useful, but you may see these in various different types of contexts. So if you would like a copy of this code, I will post all of this in the comments down below. It's your bro. Hope you're doing well.
Yeah, it is Bami Yoga, but I do know some very basic shit. I think we'll just do from here to the rest. So string symbol equals to, we need this. My bad. And shit, I double fuck. Okay, I'll check. COLUMN, of course. Same shit for int, because we use so many times, we just j. So j is okay. J is less than equal to rows and j is a plus plus. You can use this sys out just in case. Yep. And for k, fuck it. Okay, we use double first of all. Oh, you know what? This is different. It could be because it cannot compare double and int. That could be true. Let me check. Let me check. This is an equal to column. मेरे को उसकी वैल्यूज प्रिंट करनी है string 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 शुरू करो पहले column and then case plus plus what case plus what plus plus red sys out we did not use print, we'll just use it, but after this they will sys out enter number of rows, you know, think enter, yeah, it does not matter, right? So rows equals to scanner dot next step, right? Column and then enter the symbol for under symbol to display just for a sec I need to give it some space, right? Go there about double use the next here, right? Now let me check it if it works or not. I'm pretty sure it should not work. Double 53. Okay, let me change the values to and then I should have no issue. There should be literally no issue, to be honest. Just use double, but doubles. Okay, yep, my bad. Damn, 53. Sys out print, like why is it not working?
If you'd like to become a member at this speed, that is one example for loops or while loops.
Literally ये तो game में भाई, like no way, I did not see that. I did not see that. I did not see that. Like where print का कर रहा भाई, I forgot about that. Local waiver J may not be initialized. Why? Why though? Literally everything is same. It's not even reached K, right, to be honest. I did initialize it, bro. It is initialized, bro. Like, what drugs? Totally J is there. No clue. One quick fix, I know that shit, bro. But I already initialized. क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ मैं? Oh, I did not see that. Oh no way. Oh no way. Oh no way. Okay, पहले ये करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. Enter number of rows 5, column 6, symbol to display, I think, and so as you can see, 6 columns. Wait, did I use? I wrote 5 rows. That's why it is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, that's why it was one. Vanda. Like Vanda is 100 in Telugu if you want to know. Arre bacho, I'm a fucking ho. I know, like you guys know that shit. Why did not reach? Oh, okay. Thing 3, 2, display 1. Ah, 3, 2, 7. Damn. Okay, so that's why it's not okay. It's a fucking string, but to be honest. Let's see once again. So of course I'm a hoe. We'll just use it. 4, 5, and then can I use K? It started once again. But why did it start once again? It isn't a different, like it's not even in the same loop. This is already completed. No worries. GD Tasman nested loop example. Now if we use print ln here, can I just if possible, I don't mind this, but yep, I actually don't mind this. 5, where is 5? What? You which compilation error? It's not initialized. No. I know what is it like. Yeah, horrible because there's so many. I did not think about that. My bad. फिर स्कैनर का भी होगा फिर I think. Where the fuck is this coming from? No, 4, 5, and then like it printed every single line. Nice. See if I don't use this here, then what should no way, bro. No, no, no. So I do need that for this only, and then what if I use double right for column? It should be same. Did work. It did work. It did work. Yep, it did work. To be honest. So yep, we can use double two. So if I use 6.5, that is a good idea. Yes, you are holy. You fuck 3. No. Once again. I'm a hoe. I know that. So we'll use 3, but 4.6, and then it should throw an error. Okay. As you can see, it couldn't decide. It did not work. I thought bro half kar dega. Shit, bro. Like literally, goddamn. Not really possible. But this is good. This is good. This is fucking good. I think for today this is good. मेरा target ये था कि I should reach a race. Thank you, bro, code once again. Very much, like literally very much. Shall we use this? Like I don't even remember like what I did. Contractor, like fuck it, bro. Parameter, since the contractor now accepts a parameter, choose the constructor. We call it ornamental possible values. These values known as arguments will be used to initialize and symbol. I don't know what the fuck is he talking about. What is he yapping about, dude? I'll just go to this and I'll fucking create an instance called store. You can create an instance of store. Call limit stand in the main. Okay. Pass limit stand as an argument. How the fuck do you pass this shit as an argument, bro? I don't know. I have no clue. GD, that's me. GD. I have no clue. Instance of car. Okay, so this is an instance. Car called Ferrari. This is me. He passed the string red. Value of car color. Yep, I know that. GD. Yep, it's not right if we access it. Dot operator. Okay, we can access the fields. Okay. Actually, padding the matter. Still have no clue. Like, it wants me to create a public store like this. This? Or just store, like, I don't even know. I have no clue क्या हो रहा है भाई. Not even गonna lie. Where the fuck is store? Called lemon stand. Wait, what the fuck is lemon stand, bro? Oh, lemon. Okay. I have no clue what is happening. I don't even know what is happening, bro. But I'm just referring to what they used. I learned this from Broker, to be honest. Fuck it. Let me just do this, bro. Let me just do this shit, bro. I did do it. Like, I don't know shit. If you think I know shit, bro, like, man, I don't know shit. Like, I have no clue, bro. Why it is happening, bro? So I'm just supposed to make like this. I need some solution, but fuck it, bro. I don't even know what is happening. I knew it, but bro, literally, like, store is not a variable, bro. I thought about this, bro. I did not know about this, bro. I thought about this कि भाई यहाँ पे store में लगा दूंगा, but that was like, but literally भाई initialize भी नहीं हो चुका भाई variable. What does store mean? Store is a fucking function. I don't know that shit. I didn't notice it. That's why मैंने story मैंने लिखा भी यहाँ पे store. but I thought कुछ ना कुछ store से related है भाई. Let me check. कि मेरे को ये change करना था क्या? Literally I had to change this one thing. Which I already knew by the way. But I don't know how I got this way. I have no clue like मैं कैसे कैसे पहुंचा यहाँ पे. I did see this by the way. Oh no man, I did not see that. What? Bus? Is there right to be honest? I thought. Ah no, it is not correct. It is not correct. I need to print the instance field line not literally this. But they still call it like because product type. I think कुछ ना कुछ is missing. Cheery, that's me. Oh no. इसकी जो quiz आने वाली है, I'm going to fucking bomb this shit, bro. Like not even gonna lie. I will be bombing this shit, bro. Like literally like boom. GD, oh bro, man, that shit is fucking me up, bro. That